straight from the pipes of the spooky boat. Let's make a Halloween piranha plant. This will make clown action!
Start by pumping up a 260 white balloon. First, start with a pinch twist. Then make a 12 centimeter bubble. And then another pinch twist. Now make another 12 centimeter bubble and bring it back to the other side. This forms the mouth of the piranha. Now pump up a 260 red balloon. Tie this onto a pinch twist. Now you're going to make a 12 centimeter bubble and tie it onto the other pinch twist. Then another 12 centimeter bubble and bring it to the other side. Then a third one and bring it back to the other pinch twist. Next, you're going to make a 14 centimeter bubble, a slightly longer one, and tie it to the other side again. And finally, another 14 centimeter bubble to form the other side of the loops. Now pump up a 260 green balloon. This is going to form the stem. With the remaining white balloon, make 4 2 centimeter bubbles to form the teeth. Make sure you twist them a few times to make sure they don't come apart. Then tie it to the other pinch twist. With the remaining white balloon, you can now cut it off and tie a knot. Now pump up a 260 black balloon and make a 5 centimeter bubble. With this one, you can also use a scrap balloon. Then shove the black balloon inside the white teeth. And this forms the inside of the mouth. With the green balloon, tie it onto one of the pinch twists. Bring the green and red balloon together and twist it in the middle a few times. Make sure this is between the 14 and the 12 centimeter red balloon. You can now cut off the red balloon and tie the remaining bit to the other pinch twist. You can also adjust the teeth to make sure they're centered. With the green balloon, make a 10 centimeter bubble and then 2 pinch twists. Then make a loop twist and tie it onto the pinch twists. And another loop twist, and that makes the 2 leaves. Then make another 10 centimeter bubble, and you can now cut off the excess and tie a knot. Make sure to leave a long tail on the green balloon. Now pump up a brown 5-inch balloon to make the bottom part of the flower. You're also welcome to choose whatever colour you want. Tie the brown balloon and the green balloon together and tie a knot. Push the knot through the middle of the balloon, hold on to it from the other side, give it a few twists, and use a scrap balloon to secure the knot in place. Do a double knot to make sure it's all secure. Now, let's add some details. With a white paint marker, draw some spots on the red balloon. And now you're all done.
Bye, Apple Balloon Piranha Plant. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.